Alright, so I just moved into a new apartment and I have all these old loot crates. There's even more than this that I don't know what to do with. I stopped the subscription a little while ago, so I think we're just gonna start unboxing them. Oh, you gonna grab one? Alright, yeah, grab one so we can open it. You got it? Take that one, come on. Yeah, come on, let's go to the living room. Come on. Well, the dining room, rather. Why'd you take out Terminator? Here, come on this way. Or you want to go to your room? Alright, let's go to your room, actually. Come on. Let's go to your room. Box! Oh! You almost fall down. Wow! What's that? Oh, those are glasses? Wear it. Oh, what's that? Is that a t-shirt? What's that? Oh, is that a pin? Pin? Oh, you see the remotes? Wow, there's a comic in there? What is that?
Superheroes.
What? Who's that? Who's that right there?
Them.
Who is that?
Them.
You know who that is. Chewie? Oh, you want to take it out? Okay. Here you go. Yeah, there's no more. That's it. What is this, though? What does this say?
Chewbacca.
Oh, that's Chewbacca? Who's that? Han Solo? Is it Star Wars?
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca? What does he go? What does he say? Oh, what's in that one? You want to open it?
I don't open this.
I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's a tie. Well, a little too young for a tie. Wish I didn't know that was in there earlier. Oh, look at Transformer. Wait, that's not a Transformer, is it? Oh, it's Voltron. That makes sense. I missed that show growing up. Didn't watch any Voltron. Oh, look at what's this right here. Oh, it's what? You can draw in it, I think. Comic notebook. Okay, put on the glasses. Here, put on the glasses. Wow. So cool. What's that over there? There's another box that you open. Right behind you. Right behind you, there's a little box. Oh, what's that? Oh, it looks like an old game. Looks like an NES game. Fire Hunt? Wow. You're looking fly, Kay. Too bad there's no more. Yeah. Wish there was a toy or something in here for you. It's all old people stuff. It's probably going to be in every box. Oh. Alright, yeah, I'll open it. I got it. Here, wait. Oh, it's a little collectible figure. Wow.
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 Funny.
Wow. Here, take it out. I think you can do it. Whoop. There it is. Here, you can put his feet on. Here, you want to hold that for me? Oh, I think the gun goes over here on the side. Or no, it goes in his hand, actually. There we go. See his hand? You got to put his hands on. Like this. This one.
What's in your hands?
Yeah, put his other one on. Oh, the other one fell out. Alright, let me put the camera down. Or at least attempt to. Here, you want to hold the camera? Here, you hold it. Let me just put these pieces on.
Cheese.
You recording?
Cheese.
You getting those good shots?
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. Alright. Here you go.
Gun.
Oh yeah, put the gun in his hand. Or the, what do they call those? Wow. So fail. It's the, ooh, it's been too long. I don't know. The NES laser gun thing.
Oh, drop it.
Oh, his hand fell off? Yeah, it's a little flimsy. Let me put the camera back down. Okay. Let me see, I'll put it in his hand for you. Here. Wait. You gonna take the camera? What? Yeah.
Give me.
Yeah, let me see. Look it, I got the gun in his hand. Look it.
Okay.
Oh, the NES Zapper. There we go. I think it's called the Zapper. Oh. Yeah, that thing. Yeah. It's okay. Pew, pew.
Bim. Ow.
Oh.
Bim, bim. Bim, bim, bim.
Oh, does it look like a Mario game?
One games. Oh, blaster. What there? Blaster in there.
Oh, there's a blaster in there?
There's a blaster there. Bim, bim, bim.
Oop.
Bim.
Yeah, I guess that's it. We'll have to open a new one soon. Either tomorrow or the next day, we'll open another one. Alright? Thanks for watching, everybody. Say bye, Kato.
Bye.
Wave bye.
Bye.